Body Shop and also the first TVC.
Yes, I feel really, really thrilled. Today is a very, very exciting day. We're launching the first ever global Body Shop commercial, TV commercial. So I get to be a part of that, which is obviously a very, very big deal for me. Um, so we're launching it today, and I'm very excited. We're all here together for that today, and I mean, I have. I don't know where to begin with my association with the Body Shop, because there's so much that I feel about this association even before the Body Shop came to India, even before it was introduced to the Indian market. I've been using their products. When my mom or my dad would travel, they would go abroad, I used to tell them that, my body butter is getting over, please get it back for me. And so it's been a very, very special thing for me to be on board as their new brand ambassador. It's super special. The kind of values that they imbibe in their sensibility, in their philosophy. It's something I feel like they are the only international brand who does that, who stands up for the environment, for sustainability, against animal testing. So for me to be a part of that is really, really special.
Okay, so ma'am, why you have choose the Body Shop and what are the responsibility of the brand ambassador?
Um, I think that because they have such powerful values, very, very powerful values, keeping the environment in mind, keeping sustainability in mind, no animal testing, vegetarian products. These are very, very strong values. They're the need of the hour, these values, and the fact that a brand so strongly has them is making a really large statement on a global platform, which I think inspires not only their customers but inspires people's sentiments. That these are the practices that we do as a brand. These are the kind of efforts that we do. These are the causes that we do. We respect Mother Nature. So these strong values, if a brand has, it's very, I would say, it's pioneering. It's absolutely pioneering, and it's a movement. The Body Shop is actually a part of a very, very. It's created a movement, on the brand front. So I would say that for me to be a part of that, it fuels my responsibility, it fuels my goals, it fuels my values. Me as a person, I try every day to be a little better, try to be kinder. This brand imbibes that. It imbibes kindness, it imbibes the fact that, and completely promotes the fact that everyone is beautiful. And as a person as well, I try every single day to try to be better, to try to play my role in minimizing damage to our world, in being a little more active when it comes to preserving the environment. So I would say that this brand, the brand's values really, really inspire me, and they are very in sync with what I believe in as well.
Okay, ma'am, are you a brand conscious as a consumer?
How so? What do you mean?
Okay, are you brand when it's come to a consumer in a real life?
Right. You know, I feel like something that I've always tried to do, and I strongly believe in as well, is that I am responsible for representing and being a part of brands that I believe in. So the fact that I believe in the values that the Body Shop imbibes, it's something very close to my heart, and there you get a personal sort of motivation to even be a face of the brand, because you believe in the values that it holds. So I would say that it's a big decision for me whenever I decide to be a part of a brand as well.
Okay, recently your release Sahu movie has crossed 350 crores and also the Chichore is getting a huge response. So how you're feeling?
I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling like all that nervousness that was there before the release of the film, because both the films, Saho and Chichore, were back-to-back releases, and both of them have done well. It's a great feeling. It's like a double sort of a celebration. So I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling very grateful that both the films have gotten so much love and appreciation.
Okay, after Sahu and Chichore, your next movie is Bagi 3 and you have also announced in the Instagram. So people are getting very crazy for the Bagi 3. How excited are you and do you feel pressurized because it's a franchise of Bagi?
Right. So my next release is Street Dancer, which is coming after ABCD 2. It's the sequel to ABCD 2. That's my next release, which is on the 24th of Jan. and I will start filming for Baghi 3 in the next 2 or 3 days. I'm very excited because both of them are sequels. Both of them are with, the same co-stars and the same production teams and all of that, and the same teams. I would say the same gang of ABCD2 as well. And it's nice. I love the fact that I'm reunited with Tiger and the fact that I'm working again with Varun. So super excited.
Okay, there are many talented people in your family. One more guy is debuting in from your family, Priyank Sharma. So how excited are you? Have you given any tips to him?
Priyank, my brother, my Masi's son, Padmini ji's son, is making his debut. It's a very, very exciting time in the family. All of us
Yeah.
are super excited for his debut. Um, and yeah, I mean, it's he's so focused. He's been so hardworking on his film. So all of that is going to come together now, and we're all very excited.
Okay, ma'am. Lastly, any beauty tips you like to give to all the audiences?
Um, I think I would say that something that my mum always instilled in me, I would say that, and it's amazing that the Body Shop also imbibes the same value, is that everyone is beautiful just the way you are. And I think that that is one of the most amazing beauty tips I could have received, that I am beautiful just the way that I am. So I would also tell the viewers that you are beautiful just the way you are, and know that beauty is inside out.
Thank you, ma'am. I have pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone?
Thank you so much. Yes.
Ma'am,
Picture? Sure. Just